Go, girl. Just take care of yourself. Get out of here and save yourself. God. Hey, dear unique, dear friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. You know, have you ever seen your surroundings? Open your eyes. I'm not saying to wear pessimistic glasses. I'm not saying to wear optimistic glasses. You have to wear realistic glasses, you know? You know, many people around you know that you have abilities and talents. They laugh at you and tease you. They tell you, oh, you think you're so special? Or what do you think you are? There are special people who have reached certain levels. That person knows exactly what your capability is. Yeah, that person knows what your capabilities are. You know, I want to tell you something. In the city I live, you know, there are many people like this in Rafsanjan and the surrounding cities. I don't know if they are in other places in Iran. I heard, unfortunately, they are. They are lazy people and jealous people. They know they can't have anything, but they don't want anyone else to have anything. Exactly what happened to me. You know, the last thing the female investigator said to me was this: you girl, you had grown up too much. And famous artists and many club owners didn't want you. They didn't want you to exist at all. So if you were women, some were men, but mostly women, they've invested money and they are connected somewhere. They didn't want you to be at any cost. They accuse you of something or conspiracy in any way possible. Girl, just take care of yourself. Get out of here. Get out of this city, this place, this country. Get out. Save yourself. You know what does that mean? You know? God, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. What do you think? Write a comment for me. And thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for supporting me by watching and listening to my videos. I really want to share so many things with you guys. God, thank you. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and be with me. Thank you. I love you. Bye.